1911 A ng WE. Shoutout pala kay Boss J. So metal yung slide, metal din yung lower frame nya, and then threaded yung outer barrel with 45 ACP markings. So yung safety nya is ditong side lang, sa kabila wala, hindi siya ambi. And then itong grip nya is polymer, ito, pero yung mismong base nya is metal. So test natin. By the way, single stock pala siya. Magazine capacity is around 19 rounds. So test natin, check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. 348, 334, price nito guys is 6,400. Check nyo na lang sa Google Drive natin. Thank you kay Boss J.